Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video we will be unboxing the Zinc HD camera with ring light. On the front of the box we have an image of the webcam itself. On the top left we have a couple of the salient features which include its resolution being 1920 by 1080p and an auto-focusing feature. On the left hand side of the box, the salient features continue, which include a built-in microphone, ring light, variable aperture. It can be used for conference calling. It has an angle of view of 75 degrees and a frame rate of 30 frames per second. Over here we have some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. On the bottom we have a few QR codes that lead to the support page, the website and the Instagram page of the brand. On the right hand side of the box, we have some manufacturing information right here and the customer care information right here. We also have the website and the BIS certification symbol. The back of the box is exactly the same as the front, and that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside we get some literature in the form of the user manual. This can help you get started off with using the webcam and understanding the various functions and features. Next we have a feedback card which has some information where you can leave some feedback for the brand. And now we come to the product itself. As you can see, it has a primarily black color theme going for it. On the front around the ring light, it's obviously white, and also on the front we have this protective sticker to protect the lens from scratches. It says here that you need to remove the sticker before you can use the webcam. Now that we have removed the sticker, we can see that there is some Zinc branding right above the lens, and underneath that we have some writing that says autofocus. To the right of the Zinc branding, we have a hole that we suspect is for the microphone. On the back, it's pretty simple. All we have is the cable running out, and the cable is approximately 52 inches long and has a USB Type A interface on the end. Coming down the camera, we have a ball mount that gives the camera enormous amounts of flexibility, and this will help you frame the shot perfectly. The mounting mechanism is of the hinge type, and on the inside we have some soft surfaces that will protect the device that you mount this camera on from getting scratched up. Also on the bottom we have a screwing mount which is the same kind as you would see on a tripod, so this camera can be set up on a tripod as well, making it quite versatile. So let's get started and set this camera up on a laptop. This webcam comes with a plug and play functionality, which means that the drivers that would be needed to use this webcam will be detected and installed automatically. All we need to do is plug it into the computer. One thing to note is that the cable also has this wheel that you can use to control the brightness of the ring light. So the camera has been set up properly, and now all we need to do is mount it up. To do that, we need to just lock the lip on the flap of the laptop and shut the hinge. Once it can't be pressed anymore, that's when you know that it has been secured. So this was the unboxing of the Zinc HD camera with ring light. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.